Hey guys, Cezaline here again from Multisystem Technology. So today we are going to show you and talk about perfume bottle printing using the UV600S as a perfume bottle printer. Now, presently there are apparent challenges in the cosmetics industry where their branding has to be printed to perfection. Although trending in the near future, the possibility of having short or medium runs, full color designs, and even customized designs printed for each customer would actually be a great strategy to increase their profits. But then, there are challenges in perfume bottle printing. The print outcome should be able to resist the alcohol that perfumes contain. It should be clear, it should be sharp, and many other factors related to perfume bottle printing. Therefore, there is a need for an easier and a faster way.
Now, talking about the conventional way, printing on glass bottles was done via silk screen, pad printing, or stickers. Screen printing is required to have a new screen for each color, which can be time-consuming. As you all know, screen printing has a critical process. Hence, you see the glass bottles with only one or two color design in order to save time and costs. This means even if you get good durability from high ink coverage and screen printing common for high volume production, screen printing application is limited. You don't get to do full color print outcome, you don't get to do short or medium runs, and no customization. Relatively, stickers is another way to label perfume bottles. Although they are convenient and good for high production, this application is not durable. In addition to that, it is a must for it to be done meticulously, and that is time consuming.
Now, with the UV600S, the challenges faced on perfume bottle printing could be reduced to a minimum level, as our unique ink has a very strong adhesion to permanently stick. And we have been continuing to succeed on delivering the UV600S to perfume factories. Now, in this video, we are going to show you how to print these 4 full color designs on these perfume bottles, along with the durability test to prove to you that the UV600S could just be the printer you're looking for perfume bottle printing.
So these are the 4 designs we have and will be printed full bed. Let's say you'll be printing 100 bottles. So the first design will cost you $2.86. The second design will cost you $1.26. Third design will cost you $1.96, and last design will cost you $0.67. Moving on, printing on perfume bottles can be challenging, so using a jig is preferable for any kind of production. You can load the perfume bottles on the second empty jig while the first batch is being printed. So the UV600S not only prints on glass, but on materials with different surfaces like metals, mirrors, CDs, plastics, board stocks, acrylics, pens, aluminum, leather, cylindrical shaped materials like candles or water bottles, and more other challenging surfaces like rocks or stones. You can even do embossed printing or texture design. Also, you can customize print on packaging boxes of perfume sets or bottles. And in this machine, you can print up to 30 centimeters high.
Now that we have finally demonstrated to you how easy and efficient it is to print on perfume bottles, if you're interested to know more about the perfume bottle printer, the UV600S, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, as we are going to have more upcoming videos about the UV600S. Thank you for watching!